Hi, I'm Bob the Baker, and today we're going to make brownies from scratch. I found a recipe online, and I blanked out. Hi, I'm Bob the Baker. Today we're going to make brownies. I found a recipe online, so follow along. First it says preheat the oven to 350 degrees and grease an 8x8 square pan or a 9x5 loaf pan or line with parchment paper or foil and set aside. I already have my pan right here. And a big bottle of Pam. Step 1 is done. Step 2, in a large microwave-safe bowl, mixing bowl, add the butter and microwave for 1 minute until completely melted. I'm not using butter today, I'm using oil. It's easier. And I'm all about easy. Add the sugar and cocoa powder and whisk vigorously. Until the sugar has dissolved. Add eggs one at a time, and then vanilla. I get 2 eggs. 1. 2. Ooh. And the vanilla. I add 1 TSP of vanilla. Ooh, shaky, shaky, shaky. There we go. And whisk for 1 minute until well combined and the batter is shiny. Well, it wasn't shiny before. It was very clumpy. I believe that's been about a minute. Wow, look, that's shiny. Stir in flour and salt until the flour is fully combined. Be careful not to overmix.
Did you forget something?
I think I may have forgotten the salt. So now I'm going to add some salt. Just a dash in 1/4 TSP sizing. Don't shake too much. I'm starving. I need brownies. And mix. Be careful not to mix too much. It's already getting thick. Optionally, you can fold in nuts or chocolate chips, but I'm already nuts enough, so I just went with chocolate chips.
You are supposed to fold it with the spoon, not the whisk.
I was folding with the whisk.
Think of folding.
Where am I supposed to set the whisk now?
Inside one of those bowls.
Dirty.
Preferably the cup.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
Now fold in your chocolate chips. Doesn't that look delicious? Spread in the pan. And bake for approximately 20 minutes. Slap it in the center and bake for approximately 20 minutes. Now that our brownies have cooled down, we have to cut them. There's two theories I read on the internet. One's a hot knife, and the other is a plastic knife. So we're going to try and cut this with the plastic knife and see how this does. Wow. Take that as a win. And that is a loss. Would my off-camera associate like to try some?
They're kind of gooey.
But do they taste good?
Mm-hmm.
That's a win. Or maybe even slightly undercooked. Think I should sit down? Go look in the camera.
Yeah. You gotta start over to do your introduction though.
So what do I say? Hi, my name is Bob.
Hi.
And I'm baking.
Hi, I'm Bob the Baker. Today we're gonna make brownies from scratch.
It stopped recording, didn't it? What? Bake for approximately 12. I'll just cut it. It doesn't matter.